How to have positive thoughts? Okay, this is another very interesting question and a very common question people ask me. One thing I want to make very clear at the beginning is that you will not be able to have positive thoughts always. Why I'm telling you this is because there are a lot of people who come and tell me that as soon as they have a couple of negative thoughts, they give me a call and say, Coach, I'm having negative thoughts. I feel I'm getting depressed. They start freaking out. They start becoming very anxious. First thing I want all of you to remember is you cannot be having positive thoughts always in your life. We are all human beings. We are filled with emotions. We are social animals. We have ups and downs in life. Life is not always constant. Change is the only constant in life. So the first thing I want you to understand and remember is that you may not be able to have positive thoughts all the time, and it is perfectly fine. Now, coming to what positive thoughts are. Positive thoughts is basically having good thoughts, having constructive thoughts, having thoughts which do not make you feel less confident, which does not hit your self-confidence or self-image, which does not make you question your ability, capacity, or capability. And positive thoughts are those thoughts which motivate you to achieve in life, which make you feel good about yourself. For example, there's a lot of people who would tell me, how is it that you're all the time bubbly, all the time energetic? And I would always say, I'm all the time positive. And they would say, how do you do that? And I would say, I love making other people smile. So I always think on how do I make this person smile? And when you want to make a person smile, you can only do it with positive thoughts or positive communication, rather than saying, no, you cannot go and tease somebody or make them feel bad and expect them to smile, right? So I would always say that I love to make people smile, and that is how, I'm all the time positive. So what I'm trying to say is, not just having positive thoughts will help. What I'm trying to say in the Tagona, what I'm trying to say is, having positive thoughts not only helps you, but people around you start feeling very positive as well. They feel that you're very energetic. They feel you have a very good vibe. People would love to be with you because you're all the time positive. So positive thoughts, simply put, are the thoughts in your mind which are good, constructive, and positive. The biggest advantage of having positive thoughts is that it will make you understand about how blessed you are in life. I always tell people the best way you can start having positive thoughts is by forgetting or deleting comparison, taking a step back, relaxing, and focusing on what you have first. We always compare, oh, he has a better car than me, he has more money than me. But the best way you can convert that negativity into positivity is by looking at people who don't even have what you have. That is when you understand. And I always call this as the silver lining technique. I always teach people every dark cloud has a silver lining. So if you want to convert your negativity to positivity, all you have to do is look at the silver lining. Look at what you're blessed with. Look at what you have which others don't. Remember your strengths. Understand the difference that you have made in people around you. It might be a small thing or a big thing. Look back and enjoy those moments which have made you feel good. And remember that you can create those moments in the future, because today is not the end of the world. It's not the end of your life. That is how you be positive. We all have a lot of negativity around us. I do not deny it. But we have to be that lamp on a big dark mountain. We have to be like the lighthouse on top of a mountain, because that is when people will give us that attention. People will notice us. And that is how you become positive in life, by trying to do good for others. A lot of people ask me, what is your mantra for being positive? And I always tell them, like I told you earlier, making other people smile. So when I say that I'm making other people smile, what am I trying to do? Simply put, I'll rephrase this again. The best way you can be positive, or the best way you can have positive thoughts. Like I said, when people ask me, how are you positive all the time? I always say that I love to make people smile. So how do you have positive thoughts? The best simple coach's formula, coming from the coach himself, is that try to focus on making another person have positive thoughts. and you will automatically start feeling positive about yourself. Like how I said, how do you improve the self-confidence of others is by making them aware of their strengths. The same way, you radiate positivity irrespective of how bad you're feeling. Forget about even appreciating a person. Just hear me out. If you're feeling negative, if you're feeling low, the best thing that you can do is search for another person who is feeling low. Search for another person who is feeling the same way like you, and help another person out. Forget positivity. You will be on top of the world. That is how wonderful you will feel. So this is one of the best way you can have positive thoughts. The one secret that I would like to share on how I always have positive thoughts is about, I use a lot of humor. I make fun of myself. When I make fun of myself, not only people know that I'm very confident about myself and I really don't care what other thinks about me. Also at the same time, when I am able to laugh at my own mistakes, when I'm able to laugh at my own shortcomings or drawbacks, I'm spreading positivity around, because people will start feeling, man, when he can be so confident, so can I. Wow, I feel so positive when I'm with him. So humor is a wonderful tool if you learn to use it constructively. It will help you in all aspects of life, not only in building your self-confidence, but also in building the self-confidence of others, which will automatically ensure that you have positive thoughts always.